Welcome back to ARCHI Tools. If you're working in Revit, you already know how frustrating it can be when you need to renumber or doors, especially when the numbering goes out of sequence or takes too much time. In this video, I'll show you a simple and extremely efficient way to renumber rooms and doors using PyRevit. Instead of manually editing numbers in Revit, you can use PyRevit that allows you to renumber elements just by clicking them in the order you want. This method is fast, accurate, and perfect for real project workflows, whether you are working on a small drawing or large BIM model. So let's jump into Revit and see how this works. So this is a model I have opened and I am on the third floor right now. Here, room tags have already been provided and a number, if I select this room, number 60 is provided. You can change this number by manually editing it as you already know it, and there is a chance of error and duplicacy as I have received a warning that this duplicate number has already provided. So this is the manual method of doing it. What if I want to change the sequence of whole room tags, and what if I want to change the number sequence of all the room tags, and going manually and working on all of them is a bit messy and lengthy process we would like to avoid. Instead, we can go into PyRevit, and here you will find an option of renumber. If I click on this, here I will get an option of what I want to renumber. Since I want to renumber my room, I will select this, and now it will ask for entering a starting number. Before going on this, I will go to my ground floor plan to keep everything in sequence. So this is starting from here, and it is taking 1 as an initial number, which is a single numeric digit. I want to keep it in 3-digit numbers. So I'll go to renumber. I have to go into view first. I'm inside the view. Now the renumber option will appear on clicking, and I will go to rooms, select my starting number. I want it into 3 digits, so I will type 001 and click on OK. Now I have to go on sequence selecting the rooms. I want this room as the starting 001 which I have entered. I'll select this. This will change. And in sequence, I have to go further. So this will be 002, this will be 003, this one would be 004, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So instead of going into a lengthy process, this one is much better, which will help you to save a lot of time. Similarly, for tagging of doors, we can use the same PyRevit tool. To show this, first of all, I will provide my door tags. So I'll go to tag room, tag all not tagged, select the door tags and click on OK. The door tags have been provided. So this is not the way I would like my door tag to be. So I will again go to my PyRevit, and here in the renumber option, this time I will select my doors. I will enter the starting number. The starting number would be some alphanumeric D01, and I'll go on selecting the doors and keep my sequence in mind. So this is the way you can renumber your doors as well. That's how easily you can renumber rooms and doors using PyRevit. If this video helped you improve your Revit workflow, don't forget to like and subscribe to ARCHI Tools for more practical BIM tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.